All right, special thanks to this company for sending us their active stylus to unbox. So the front just shows high sensitivity and accuracy active stylus with some doodles drawn on the front. Same on the top, bottom, nothing on the sides, and the back just has the company name, Stylus pen for Microsoft, Surface, etc. So let's slide it out of the box here. All right. So we've got a nice little instruction guide that shows you how to do everything, change the heads and stuff like that, as well as, of course, the functions of it and what it'll work with. It'll work with Sony's, Dell's, Acer's, HP's, Asus's, Microsoft's. Honestly, it'll work with anything with a touchscreen essentially, but it'll work the best with those Windows type devices. Then we have extra little pen tip, a nice little micro USB-C cable. I like this. And then last but not least, that's it for the box, the actual pen itself. So you've got buttons down here. You can see the little light there lighting up. The top almost looks like a regular eraser, but of course, it's not. And it just looks very sleek. You wouldn't even, first looking at this, you're not even gonna realize it's actually a stylus. You're gonna think somebody's really gonna write with this. And then once you actually look close, you see the different tips. You see how it feels, but it feels like a good device. It doesn't seem to bend, and to charge it you have little USB-C port right there. It's covered by this little piece of rubber to keep it a little sealed in case you drop it in water or something. Nice device, should not have any issues working with any of the Windows devices listed from Microsoft or Asus, HP, Acer, Dell, Sony, etc. Really a good alternative to the real Surface pencils is this little Surface pen. So that should do it for this unboxing. Again, thanks to this company for sending this to me, and thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.